company called Glo Melanin. And girl, when I tell y'all this company is tea, they make all 100% natural products formulated for melanin rich skin. Ooh, that smells so good.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl, pretty boy gang? Today I'm coming to you with another video. This video is gonna be good. Y'all know it's gonna be juicy. I'm always giving y'all good products, good stuff to really like implement into your everyday self-care routines, especially for my ladies. This is for y'all. If y'all didn't see my last video, make sure y'all go watch it. We talking about keeping that kitty healthy, clean, fresh, all that stuff. So I'm gonna be doing a review on a company called Glo Melanin. And girl, when I tell y'all this company is tea, they make all 100% natural products formulated for melanin rich skin. Okay y'all, so I'm talking about facial products, stuff for the girl. Like girl, we just gonna get into it. So they sent me this wonderful box. It's big. I feel like it's a lot of goodies in here. I can't wait to open it. I cannot wait to see what's in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love when I get new packages in the mail. Another thing that I like about this company is that they are black owned. Girl, you know I love supporting black owned businesses. And not only that, they are also from ATL. Shout out to them for representing the A-Town. Alright, so we finna open her up. And I just cannot wait to try. Y'all know unboxing is one thing, but like really trying the product on and really just getting into it, like, oh my god, I cannot wait. All right, let's see what the girls, let's see what she giving. Let's see. Oh my god, it's not opening. So we got a box. Yeah, I'm gonna regret that because now I gotta clean all of that up. But anyway, oh my god, it looks like a rat's nest. I'm gonna regret that tomorrow. Seriously, I gotta clean all of this up. Okay, so you guys, let's get into this box because I'm already seeing some juicy items. So the first item that I pulled out is the Glo Melanin Turmeric Brightening Scrub. And again, it is all natural. It's vegan, black owned, y'all. They make sure they step that on all of their products, which I extremely love. So this has sea salt, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, turmeric extract, and vitamin E. And it says our turmeric scrub brightens and exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and dark spots while tightening and energizing your skin. So apply a generous amount to damp the skin and massage in a circular motion. Be sure to select problem areas after applying. Let sit for at least 5 minutes for best results. Rinse with warm water and feel your velvety soft skin. Yes baby, yeah. So y'all know I always talk about like my dark underarms. Like I feel like even like my knees, my elbows or whatever, I do have like some pigmentation a little bit down there, but it's not too bad. But I feel like I want to see it brighter. Other than that, I don't really have too many dark spots like in my face or anything like that. So I feel like I would more so use that like on different parts of my body. Next we got, girl, we got the Glo Melanin Goddess Yoni Oil. And this is rose petals, vitamin E, specifically formulated for melanin skin, baby. I'm talking about melanin be popping. Melanin finna be popping after this, baby. So if y'all didn't know, this is specifically for, you know, your lady parts. So this says it has similar to the same ingredients in the brightening scrub. So it has jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, chamomile oil, rose oil, comfrey oil, rose petals, prunus, persica oil, kernel oil, vitamin E, girl. I don't even know what that is, but okay. Okay, so this is for getting rid of ingrown hairs and inflammation, all while keeping a hydrated and healthy yoni. Our pH balanced yoni oil uses all natural plant-based ingredients and is antibacterial and antifungal, girl. Yes, I feel like they are giving me very much like whoever, you know, formulated this whole like system, like they literally thought about everything that us women deal with on a as far as like, you know, pH balance and the dark spots, and it's just like everything is just all like, I just love it. I like their little system that they got. Okay, so now we have, it looks like this is a bar of soap. I'm assuming it has turmeric in it just because of the color, but I want to smell it. Ooh, girl, yes. Oh, this is fresh. Oh, I can't wait to use this stuff, y'all. I didn't even get to smell this. Let's see. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my God, that smells so good. My goodness. Let me see. This made me want to go. This made me want to go use it right now. Right now. Alright, so we got some more stuff in here. Oh, they blessed me. Oh my God, they gave me so much stuff. Alright, so next we have the Glo Melanin Turmeric and Sea Moss Gel Mask with sea moss, aloe, and raw honey. Y'all, I love me some sea moss. So I know this is good. Cause girl, the sea moss girl, big on sea moss. So apply a thin layer of the gel mask to areas with dark spots or acne, face, inner thighs. That's what I was talking about, my inner thighs. Like us thicker girls, like especially with me because I gained weight. So like my thighs, girl, them girls be rubbing together, and honey, that friction just creates like the darkness, and I don't like that. It's not as bad as it used to be, but I feel like these products will help, you know, enhance that and improve those areas, because I don't like, I just feel like it's not cute. Like, no. Yeah, inner eyes, underarms, wait until a mask dries, wear overnight, okay, or during the day, and wash off in the morning. Will not stain, will not clog pores, period. Stop playing. What else we got in here? All right, so next we have, okay, what was that? Let me smell that, because you know I'm all about like smelling stuff. Okay, it smells very herbal. It smells like you can smell the ingredients in it. I can tell that they definitely put a lot of I can tell that they definitely focus more on, you know, the health benefits of that. So this is the peach yoni wash. It's all vegan. Everything is all vegan, all natural, y'all. Y'all ain't gotta worry about putting no crazy chemicals on y'all skin. Y'all ain't gotta worry about all that extra stuff that these other people be trying to give us, because girl, you know, you know. Alright, so it has water, advanced glycerin, natural moisturizer, palm oil, citric acid, mint extract, clone, chrysanthemum, I don't even know what that is, extract, aloe extract, and plum extract. So eliminate, this says eliminate peculiar smells and harmful bacteria. I hope y'all listening now. Like I say, if y'all watch my last video, y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? Eliminate them them unusual smells and odors and little stenches down there, you know. If you know, you know. And harmful bacteria with our libido boosting pH balance yoni wash. While showering, Layah. While showering, squeeze a few drops into your hand or loofah and wash around your vagina and vulva, then rinse. Girl, it's that simple, girl. Apply 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Do not wash the inside of your vagina. And that's all she wrote. I'm so excited to try these products. I have a lot more content that I have to create based around these products. I want to take some pictures. I want to just really get into it. Like, oh my God, I'm so excited. So yeah, so comment below. I'm gonna put all of the information below. You guys also get a 15% off discount with my code Layah15, and I will put that in the description box and everything. If you're a female and you support female health, if you care about your health, if you care about, you know, self-care and making sure that you're good down there, and if, you know, y'all gotta tap in. Y'all have to tap in. You gotta support black-owned business. You know, that's what I support. That's what I'm all about. So I encourage you guys to do the same, while at the same time getting something that is beneficial to you. If you can go out and buy, you know, weave and wigs and eyelashes, and if you can go out and buy clothes and things like that, those are things that make you look good. But what about the things that make you feel good and smell good and, you know, just stay good and stay healthy, stay fresh down there? So make sure y'all support this company, Glo Melanin. They helped over 40,000 women across the world. So y'all have to definitely tap in, support, get you, and it ain't gotta be all of these products, but get you some products, get you some, you know, because a lot of y'all, the pH balance be off. Like, don't sit up here and act like that thing don't be stinking sometimes, right? Go and get you some So I love you so much. Stay tuned. I will be putting all the information in the description box. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Y'all always support, and y'all always, you know, I always come on here and keep it 100 with y'all no matter what it is. I'm always sharing, dropping gems on y'all, always sharing tea with y'all, always just giving y'all the real and raw, always. Alright girls, so I just wanted to come on here and give y'all my update. I just took my shower, and when I tell y'all, oh, I feel like a brand new woman. Like, I just feel so good. I feel so clean and fresh, and just like, I actually do feel a lot smoother as well, because I did use like the exfoliator. Oh my god, I can't wait to see results, because y'all know, of course, with like brightening products, you do have to wait. You do have to, you know, wait and be patient to see the results. There is a process to it. So I'm gonna give it a couple weeks, and I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna update y'all. Of course, I'm always trying to make sure I keep y'all up to date with everything, but I definitely recommend go check out these products, y'all. Oh my god, I feel so good. That yoni oil, oh, I feel like a brand new bitch. I feel like a brand new bitch. But anyways, you guys, so I just want to come on here and update y'all. I will see y'all in my next video.
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us. Let me hear you say, pretty girl gang. Pretty girl